Hi everybody, welcome back to the Skull Coder, and today we are going to be learn variables and data type in Flutter. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first thing is what is variable and what are data types. Variables is like a container that stores data. It's a container that store data, and store data is whatever kind of data we need is stored in a variable. So what are data types? Data types tells the computer what kind of data is stored in a variable. So the container is a variable and its kind is called data type. So what stored in it is data and its kind is called data type. And what is container? It's variable. So this is an example to explain how it's work. The example to take is int and add age. After that is equal to 20. So first we write a variable. After that we write its name. After that we write its value. So int is a type of data which stores number. Age is the variable name and 20 is the store variable. So this is the example of what is variable. So now there are different data types. Data types defines what kind of value a variable can store. So int means store whole numbers. The number like 1, 2, 3 and -1, -2. The number like are whole numbers. So double that store decimal values. String which stores text like Ali and other texts like that. Hello dot and these kind of texts are stored in strings. What is bool? Bool, sorry. Bool is truth and false. Bool is active is equal to true. It's a kind of variable which stores only true value. It's either true or it's false. What is var? Var is a dynamic type variable. It store any kind of value and auto detects type. The value we are going to be given var first time it takes it like the real value and detects that this is the type of data type and stores the value. So it is kind of dynamic type. It store any kind of value we need. So it change is a variable type into the value we are going to be inputted. So now let's discuss list in Dart. List is also a kind of data type, but they are more complex. So list is a collection of array. It's like a set in which we store values like 0, 1, 2, 3. List is a set of programming. List is a collection of array of items that stores in order. First we write list and after that we describe its data type. After that we give it name. So list is a variable, string is a data type. We define them in brackets. After that we define its name and after that we give the list. So list and strings that stores the value only in text because we keep the data type. Apple is so in the bracket this is the index 1, this is index 2 and this is index 3. So the value start and counting start always from 0 in programming. So banana apple index is 0, banana index is 1 and mango index is 2. So this is list in Dart. So there are some common operations we can use to make our workload shorten. To add anything we can use to add, we can write the name of the list and after that we can add the operation and add the value we need. Same goes to remove and after if we need to print it we can reprint the total number of items by using simple dot length operation. So this is list in Dart. So what is map? Map is also kind of data type or variable, but that store value in key value pair. The first is map, and after that we write the string. What we need is the key. It's the data type is the key. And after that is the data type of the value. And after that we write the name of the map. So in the bracket we describe this is the key and this is the value. So every key have its own value. In list, we describe the numbers or values by index and we print them through index. But in map, we describe them by using key. So we have a specific key for every value we enter. So name is a key, Ali is a value. Same goes on city. City is a key and Lahore is the value. So there are some operation also used in map. The first is if we want to add something, we just have to write the map name person. After that, we add the value or key. So a key, we have the key, and after that, we can add the value of its corresponding. To remove it, we just have to be used the to remove, and to print it, we have to be used print person dot length. So this is all the theory of today lecture, and now let's practice at in real code. Let's practice the programming we learned today. So the first we're going to be write is the main function. It must write function. The first we're going to be write some basic data types. Let's start with from basic of basic. The first is int age. After that we're going to be write a double price. So we can say that is weight. But 66.3. After that, we're going to write string sorry, to write string you have to be write it in inverted commas. Same goes from sorry, let's write bool is player. So this is how you write the basic data types in Dart. So now let's print them. You can print them separately. You can also print them by using this and then print it. Make sure you write them in inverted commas. We can use this and n. After that you can also add whatever kind of value you need to be get print, and it's going to be print on the next line. So this is how you get write the basic data types or variables in Dart and get and print it out. Now let me print that for you once. Sorry, I have to save this. The first is 20, after that 66.3 John false, and so this is all the variables I type here and then I printed them. So this slash n is used to be print the next value in the next line. So these are the some basic variables. Now let me type you some list. The first we write is list, after that we write is data type. So I'm going to use string. After that, we write its name. Now, what we should be the make the list of? Now let's make a list of names. List of animal names. It will be going to be easy for me to remember. So first we use this bracket, and after that we use inverted commas and then add the value of our need in it. Cat. Mark is a dog person, so I write the dog first. So after that, I think I'm following the food chain here. So the first is dog, cat, and mouse. To print it, I can simply use print and add type, sorry, animal name. Now we get the dog, cat, and mouse, all of these. And this is how you write the string. Now let's see how to write map in Dart. To write map, you have to be a simply type map first. After that, you're going to decide what is the data type of the key. After that, you're going to decide what is the data type is going to be of the value. So now let's see if the first we're going to be add is the data type of a name, and after that we're going to be type their gender. So we have to get both of them is string. After that we're going to be decide is the name, and now the name is map is class as equal and this. So class. So now let's type the first name John. After that, you are not going to be type equal. You're going to be use this ratio sign. After that, you're going to be type is John. John's age is 18. Let's type Mia. Mia is going to 19. So this is how you write map in Dart. To print it, you can simply use print and in bracket you can use the name of the map we're going to be right. After that you just have to save it, and let's print it what we get here. Now we get the John 18, Mia 19. We get the map we need to print the values we enter in map. So this is some simple stuff, and the simple coding I teach you today. And there are some other operations we can use in list and map also. To simply set, I can use animal name dot remove at now let's remove the value of 0. So the dog is going to be removed. So this is not going to work because I'm printing it before using this. So let's cut this print value here and print it here. Let's copy it, paste it. So there is no dog in it. You can also add the values in it, and animal name look add, and whatever you need to be add. Now let's just add what is above the dog. Above the dog is lion. I never see a lion eating a dog. Just say that lion is above the food chain of the dog. So now let's see what will happen. Kind of error. Oh, sorry. So I did copy the whole thing. So now we get the cat, mouse, and lion. So you can also add or remove the character you need from here. And if you want the length of the what is the length of the list, we enter it here. You can use print. After you can use in practice animal length, animal name dot length. So this is how you get the length of the set in it. And this is some functions you are going to be used and more when you're going to be creating apps. The length function is almost used in every program you're going to be used in creating future. So here it tells that the length of the list I enter is 3. There are some same functions from map, so I'm not going to repeat them. You can remember them by watching the video. So this is all for the today.